If you're seeing the message, Clipchamp is not available for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, so you can get back into Clipchamp and start editing again. This issue is usually caused by a region restriction, a browser problem, a cached login issue, or the wrong account session. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, check your region. Clipchamp is not supported in some countries, so if you're using a VPN, turn it off first and try again. If Clipchamp is blocked in your current location, you may need to switch to a supported region using a VPN. Once that's set, sign out of your Microsoft account completely, then sign back in. Sometimes the error appears simply because the account session is stuck or the wrong region is being detected. Next, make sure you are opening the correct version of Clipchamp. Go directly to clipchamp.com in your browser. When the page loads, click Try for free, then sign in with the Microsoft account you want to use. This is important because opening Clipchamp through the wrong link or old session can trigger the availability error even when your account is actually fine. If you still see the problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, select Cached Images and Files, and also Cookies and Other Site Data. Then click Clear Data and restart your browser. This removes broken stored files and refreshes your session, which often fixes loading and sign-in problems right away. Also make sure you're using a supported browser. Clipchamp works best in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. If you're using another browser, switch to Chrome or Edge and try again. Some browsers may not load all of Clipchamp's features correctly, which can cause the unavailable error to appear. After that, open Clipchamp again and sign in one more time. If everything is set correctly, the error should be gone and you should be able to access your dashboard normally. If not, repeat the region check, clear your cookies again, and confirm that your Microsoft account is active and signed in properly. So to quickly recap, turn off your VPN or use a supported region, sign out and back in with your Microsoft account. Open clipchamp.com and click Try for free. Clear your cache and cookies and use Chrome or Edge. These steps solve the issue for most users. I hope this helped you fix the Clipchamp is not available for you error. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.